Advanced Package Tool, known as apt, is a command line interface for managing the packages on a user's system. This command can perform actions like installing, updating, and removal of packages. Now, let's dive into the video to find out the most common uses of the apt command with practical examples. And don't forget to check out the video description for the commands and article link. The apt command provides an interactive interface for the user. Using the sudo command along with the apt grants root permissions while managing packages. The syntax for the apt command is quite easy. Here, 3 dots followed by the package represents that multiple packages can be utilized simultaneously. The apt command has many options to use. You will get all those at the manual page. For that, type in your terminal man apt, and thus you will get to see them all together. You can press Q to exit. Installing a new package with apt command is very easy. For that, open the terminal and type sudo apt install incl. Here sudo grants superuser privileges and apt package management tool install a package named incl. Now hit enter. And you can see I have installed one new package named incl on my system. Also, using the apt command, you can reinstall existing packages in your system. For that, type in your terminal sudo apt reinstall incl. In this command, again sudo grants superuser privileges and the apt package management tool reinstalls the package named incl. Now hit enter. And look, I have reinstalled the incl package on my system. You can also remove an existing package from your system using the apt remove command. For example, type in your terminal sudo apt remove incl. By running this command, the apt package management tool removed the package named incl. Now hit enter. Now press Y to continue. And I have removed the incl package from my system. Using the remove command, configuration files can be removed also. For that, use the apt with the purge command, and then you will be able to remove all the leftover configuration files at once, as well as files remaining from a specific package. And you can do this in 2 different ways. At first, let's see how to remove all leftover configuration files. Type in your terminal sudo apt purge. Here, the apt package management tool will purge all leftover configuration files. Now hit enter. And you can see that the purge command searched and removed all the unwanted files from my system. Now the second case. If you want to remove the configuration file of a certain package, type sudo apt purge incl. By running this command, the apt package management tool will remove incl package along with its configuration files. Hit enter. And see, the command removes the package along with all the configuration files. You can download available package information from the command line using the apt with the command update. To do so, type in your terminal sudo apt update. Here, apt package management tool updates the local package repository information, ensuring that system has the latest information about available packages and their versions with sudo privileges. Now hit enter. And all the available package information are listed on my terminal. By using the apt command in Linux, you can also upgrade installed packages. To do so, you need to combine the apt command with upgrade. And you can upgrade either all available packages or a specific package. At first, To upgrade all existing packages on your system, type sudo apt-upgrade. Here, apt package management tool upgrades installed packages to their latest versions, ensuring that system has the most up-to-date software with sudo privileges. Now hit enter. Press Y to continue. And look, all the available packages on my system are upgraded. Now I will show you how to upgrade a specific package. For example, ncal on my machine. So type in the terminal sudo apt install ncal -only -upgrade. Now hit enter. And you can see that I have only upgraded the ncal package of my system. One important thing to note here is the update command applied with apt will not update the packages on your system. Rather, it will only download the available package information. On the contrary, the upgrade command can be used for updating packages to the latest version. Till now, I have explained 6 examples to use the apt command practically. Stay tuned for second part for more examples. So, catch you in the next one. Until then, stay connected and keep practicing.